Hi, my name is Samantha Taylor, and I work as a senior instructor at Dalhousie University, and am joint appointed in the Accountancy and Information Sciences Department. I'm also a CPA educator. Today, I'm here to talk to you about TEDS T's, a two-part accounting and audit crossover case. This relates to my other work where I look at the connection between educator and learner, broadly speaking. So TEDS T's, some key ingredients here that I'd really like to touch on is that it is a fictional case, which allows us to really integrate some of that storytelling aspect, going for some engagement. It's a two-part case. So, meaning it can be used in an accounting context, specifically likely an intermediate financial accounting 2, where we look at how to treat leases, changes in policy, looking at both the ASPE, the Accounting Standards for Private Enterprises, and IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards frameworks. Then we cross over to part 2, where we look at the same set of characters, but now in an audit context, where we look at effectively doing all of the audit planning in the form of an audit planning memo. We look at the risk of material misstatement, both at the overall financial statement level and the account level. We look at approach and then develop substantive procedures. So where this may be extra beneficial is if you are looking for graduate level accounting or a capstone case course, because then you can use both parts of this case, the first part of accounting and the second part of audit, and let your students or your candidates integrate the technical accounting topics, accounting and assurance topics, in such a way that they would see them in real life. These standards are made in accordance with CPA Canada style learning objectives, which also adhere to the International Accounting Education Standard Board's standards. There's lots of kind of flexibility within this case. You're welcome to tailor it to meet your needs, add in an extra learning objective, or remove one if perhaps you covered it elsewhere in your course. The case comes with full technical solutions. If you want to give me an email at samantha.taylor@dal.ca. Otherwise, the case itself is available at open access. Just search TEDS T's, a two-part accounting and audit crossover case. In the teaching notes, you will see the full efficacy where we will share students' opinions via Likert scale and qualitative notes. This is a case that I am honored to have written, co-written with my authors, Poppy Riddell, Tammy Kroll, Anna Bullock, and Kyla Chisholm. Our team represents a diverse group of accounting and information science individuals, some professors, some PhD students, and one person that's currently working as a practitioner at a mid-sized CPA firm. It is our absolute delight and honor to share with you this case, and we welcome any feedback that you have on our resource. A little bit about other materials that I have. I have a YouTube channel, and there I host my mini lecture videos as well as my podcast. My podcast is the Sam Taylor Podcast, so with my name plus the podcast, where I interview a variety of professionals, some CPAs, some I have salespeople, I have medical professionals, journalists, and with the overall theme of empowering management learners to make big goals and have the confidence to chase after them. Myself, I went to university thinking that was the goal. And once I was there, I was like, oh goodness, this is a tool to help me get to the goal. And it was up to me to meet with a number of individuals to figure out, how do I want to piece my life together once I graduate? So it is my hope that through sharing these resources, the technical resources of the courses, as well as conversations with really a lot of my friends and wonderful people, that I can help contribute to an environment where management learners, and really learners broadly speaking, can feel empowered. Thank you so much for listening to this promo. If you want to get in touch, head on over to my website, www.samanthataylor.co. Have a good one.